Throughout our lives, we have individuals who come in and out of our lives on a daily basis. There are some who pass through as quickly as they come, and others who take the time and effort to establish solid relationships with. It is these individuals who shape our lives and help mold us into the individuals that we are today. According to Floyd, we are born with a fundamental drive to seek, form, maintain, protect strong social relationships. I personally have always found great value in the relationships that I have created with others I have interacted with. Further, I choose to surround myself with people both similar and vastly different from myself, whether from a different background, different faith practice, or different ethnicity. I embrace diversity. Having this type of attitude is especially important for my role at the university. Currently, I serve as the office manager for the Department of Design and Construction. Through this role, I am constantly interacting with people all across the university as a representative of my department. In addition, I am responsible for addressing all the student, staff, and community complaints regarding decisions made by our department that affect the design and construction of the campus. I try to be knowledgeable and sensitive to others' cultures, customs, beliefs, and mannerisms to ensure that decisions made by the department do not conflict with them. My role at work also has me working with people from all over the world. We work with architects, engineers, interior designers, and over 100 different vendors who have representatives from countries all over the world. We have over 6 different campuses around the world, and all projects for each campus are designed by our office. As part of my role, I am in a lot of the major design meetings, taking notes, and listening to different people speak and deliver presentations. Watching how others from other countries present their designs and how they would modify them to accommodate the needs of the people for the areas where the campuses will be built is very interesting. Before I could take part in these meetings, our team has always given a breakdown of the culture, traditions, and practices of the representative country. We want to make sure that we are being respectful of the traditions of our business partners across the world. For example, when introducing ourselves to the business leaders in Shanghai, we always present our business cards with 2 hands and then accept them in return with a slight bow. We always then pause a moment to read the card as a sign of respect for the individual. When doing business with business leaders in Italy, we pay careful attention to our punctuality and appearance, since Italian leaders take note of these things as a sign of good etiquette. When given presentations, we are very open and use facial expressions and gestures to place additional emphasis on a point. All of these practices are traditional practices with the business world of those representative cultures. I personally look forward to working with the leaders across the world because it allows me to practice my intercultural communication and learn more about our international colleagues. Outside of work, I am also constantly interacting with others of various cultures. Moving to LA was a big culture shock because I came from a small town in Texas. In Los Angeles, there is a wide range of different communities filled with different ethnicities and cultures. Since moving here, we have gone out and explored the city and all it has to offer. We try to go to all the different communities and try different foods from all over the world and visit museums to really celebrate the mixture of cultures that make up the LA area. I hope to continue to learn from my adventures in LA and meeting new people and their traditions and behaviors. I wish that everyone would take a class like this to open up their minds to diversity. We live in a society that is losing its focus on what is right and what is wrong when it comes to other cultures and different ethnicities.